Kumar Sahu. We are going to start a topic electrostatics. What? Electrostatics. Electro means electric charge. Statics means rest. When an electric charge is at rest, when we are going to study about this charge, this is known as electrostatics. When a charge is at rest, when we are going to study about this electric charge, this is also known electrostatics. Then there is a subject also, electric field, electric potential, electric charge. These also are included in electrostatics. Then there is a part that is frictional electrification. What? Frictional electrification. There is also what? That is friction. What? Friction. You also know that what is friction? When a material is rubbed with another material, there is also created friction. Then this type of, suppose I consider two material, when I rubbed with it, there is also electrification. Of course, this type of electrification is known as frictional electrification. Suppose I consider a pen, when I rubbed with my hand, when it is close to near to the paper, then this paper is also attracted by this pen. This type of electrification is known as frictional electrification. Suppose I consider amber and woolen cloth. When amber rubbed with woolen cloth, there is also electrification occurred. This is also known as frictional electrification. In this type of electrification, dust particle and feather also attracted. Then if I consider amber woolen cloth, and we also consider glass rod and silk cloth. Amber woolen cloth, glass rod, silk cloth. According to scientist William Gilbert, there is two type of electrification occurs. There is two type of electrification possible. One is resinous and another vitreous. What is resinous? When an amber is rubbed with woolen cloth, amber gains some charge named resinous. What? Resinous. When a glass rod is rubbed with silk cloth, then glass rod gains some charge named this vitreous. What? Vitreous. Then before we know resinous, vitreous, we have to know what is charge. What is charge? Charge is nothing but certain electrical quantity which exists both the substances. This is known as electric charge. Suppose this is the all substance, this is the substances, that is pen and paper. There is a electrical quantity exists in pen and paper. This is known as charge. Then one is resinous and vitreous. This type of sign convection is confirmed by, according to scientist Benjamin Franklin. Benjamin Franklin, he confirmed that, American scientist Benjamin Franklin, he has confirmed that resinous means negative charge which is gained by amber when rubbed with woolen cloth. Vitreous means positive charge which is gained by glass rod when rubbed with silk cloth. Then there is some basic law about electrostatics. What is basic property, basic law? Basic property, basic law, that is like charge repel each other and unlike charge attract each other. Like charge repel each other and unlike charge attract. Like charge, suppose basic law. Like charge, suppose similar charge, plus Q and plus Q. Similar charge. This type of like charge repel each other, means they repel each other. And if I consider unlike charge, suppose it is positive and another is negative. This type of unlike charge attract each other. What? Attract each other. These are the basic law. And charge is also two type. You have known that. What? One is positive and another is negative. Then there is a point, that is a quantization. What? Quantization. Quantization means how many times electron contained in that charge. Quantization Q is equal to Ne here, where this symbolize that, signify that how many times the electron contain in that charge. Suppose it is a charge, how many times electron can contain in that charge. Here Q is equal to Ne, where Q means charge, here Q means charge, and N means an integer. How many times? 1, 2, 3, up to, and E means charge of an electron, that is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. This is called quantization. Then there is a law of conservation of charge. What is law of conservation of charge? Total charge of an isolated system become constant. Okay, thank you.